tayong beans. Wow. And ang ganda-ganda.
That's a beautiful bean.
Yes.
Now can I get this one?
Yeah. So, ito guys, yung beans na tinanim ni Kuya.
Get it off.
Wow. It's beautiful. There's more here. Ito pa, oh, bebe. Oh, there's a lot, actually. Ito pa, there's more.
Open.
Some of them are ready yet.
No, it's ready. You want it
Some
like...
Some of them are ready.
Yeah, you want it like soft. Like, you don't want it...
See the bean here.
If it...
You can eat the whole
Yeah, you can eat the whole thing, Ben.
Can I
Yeah, it's
eat
okay.
this?
Try it.
Yeah.
Yes.
You want to take a bite?
So, ito pa, oh. Yan, oh. There's more, oh. Yan, oh. Yeah, sweet, ba? Sweet.
Might be good with some.
Sige, Ben. Kuya planted this.
Oh, no.
Yeah, baby. In the bottom.
I dropped the bean. What
Ayan.
was it?
And also, we have ito. Purple naman to. Yung isa parang pink siya. Ito naman. Ito naman purple siya. Ayan, guys. Ito yung tinanim. Yeah. So, yan yung beans na tinanim ni Kuya. Okay. Tingnan pa natin kung ano pang nandito. Ngayon, meron na tayong kamatis. Ito yung sunflower natin. Ang ating grapes. Let's see if we have... Ito yung ating... I think these are pumpkins. This is some kind of squash. Yeah. Should be. Ito. Pinutulan to ni Daddy. Kaya parang nakat din yung ibang... Oh, wala na tayong mulberry. Yes! Ito yung purple. Ano ba tawag dito? What do you call this?
Purple beans.
So, tikman natin.
Spicy.
It's okay.
Just right.
Sweet. Try. Just one bite. Tastes like...
Green bean.
Yeah, it tastes like singkamas, like yuca. Ano ba?
Maybe I planted that.
You did! You all planted this.
Oh, that is zinc.
No, baby. See? That's sweet.
Ah.
When it has
there's
color.
more.
Yeah. Parang siyang singkamas. Singkamas. Wow, that is sweet. Baby, this is sweet.
I'll give you one.
That one is sweet. No, if it's the... Yeah, give it to Daddy. That one is sweet.
Daddy,
If
can you
it's,
make me whatever
like
is that?
young beans like that, right, Kuya? It's sweet.
Please, can you
Okay, let's go.
Oh, Daddy, can I have some cookies and cream?
Cookies and cream.
Oh, Daddy, could you please make me some cookies and cream? I want cookies and cream.
We don't have cookies, just cream.
Yeah, I know, because we don't have cookies. And
Juicy,
we don't
yeah.
have cream.
Juicy, Kuya. Can you get another one? Please.
I
The one with color. Don't get the pure
want
green.
Juicy,
It won't be sweet.
juicy, and cream. I
The one with
want.
color. One,
Daddy, could you
we have a
make me
purple and
cookies and cream?
It's not cookies and it's coffee.
Daddy, could
Just
I
one for me.
please? Could you make me that?
must be
Whatever
The
is that?
purple one is the best.
Then the pink. I gotta try my
Maybe you should
Sige, bite. Alright, then. Ow.
That tastes so disgusting.
Ben, ikaw. Kuya, you want? Ngayon, magluluto tayo ng champurrado. So, ngayon, ang gagamitin ko sana tong sa Trader Joe's na cocoa powder. Ayan, ito yung ginagamit ko. Kasi ubos na yung aking tabliya galing Pinas. Pero sabi ni Ben, meron pa daw ako sa freezer. And meron pa nga, ito pa yung nung umuwi ako sa Pilipinas. Ayan, oh. So, finris ko siya. May kumagat. Ito yung walang tamis. So, puro to. So, lagyan natin asukal. And then, hindi ko alam, meron pa pala. Ano? Ito pa pala, oh. Bigay ito ng tiyo ko. Nung umuwi, hindi ko alam. Kailan
Is
bang?
that tea?
Ha?
Is that tea or chocolate?
Not chocolate. I said, my uncle give that to me. My
That's
Lola's
a lot of chocolate.
brother, si
That's a lot
Chuilo.
of chocolate.
Oh.
Is that powdered?
No, like this.
Oh, the same.
Pure. And then, yun namang naubos na nabilog-bilog na may matamis, yun naman ay galing sa aking ante. Sa kapatid din ni Mother. Yung mga pabit-bit papunta dito, yun sa nilagyan ko na 4 na bilog para 4 na ganito. Actually, hindi siya bilog eh. Parang, teka lang, Busoy. Parang flat siyang ganyan. Tapos nakaganyan. Parang cookie. Diba niyo maglalagay. So, ilagay na namin lahat yung 4. Baka masyadong mapait, no? Lagyan natin, marami pa naman tayo.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. So, nilagyan ko na siya ng... So, syempre, ang nilagay natin ay sweet rice. And then, 2 latang coconut milk. 2.5 cups to eh. Tapos pala may padating tayo na relyebo. Hindi ko lang kung nabanggit ko na sa vlog. Next week, darating yung ating karelyebo. So, abangan natin kung sino ating karelyebo para makabakasyon naman kami. Ayun. So, babakasyon tayo. Okay. Pag dumating yung ating karelyebs. Alright. So, ngayon, tabi ko muna tong tsokolate. Hindi ko muna siya gagamitin kasi ano pala? Meron pa pala.
Mama, could I buy from your store?
From your store. Guys, ang champurado ko lahat na yung nakain namin. So, pinatawag ko si Mother, ang ating taga-tikim. Alright. Sa tawag.
Bakit naman nalagyan?
Yan. Ito ipadala. Pero kahit mami sabi flashable, huwag niyo ipa-flash, ha? Kahit sabi parang ano lang din yan, baby wipes. Kahit sabing flashable, huwag ipa-flash. Dahil pag nagbara, yari tayo.
Ay, ito nakikita ba yan?
Yan nga, kahapon yan dumating, makalimutan ko. Ayan ang kay Daddy. Come on na, baby. Ere yung akin. Ito yung kay Daddy. Gutom na rin kasi. I put milk because it's so hot. A little bit, just a splash. Oh my goodness. What are they doing? They're nursing. Okay, let's go. Let's leave Daddy alone.
What are they doing?
Nursing. Just like Bebang, you know. 3 of them. What's going on? Oh my. This one will fall. So, andito si Mother. Nalulungkot daw siya. Dahil wala nang tao dun sa likod. So, pag may mga, di ba yung likod natin is parking lot. So, meron dong mga nakaparada. Eh, ngayon nga, walang klase. So, hindi busy yung parking lot. Meron naman minsan nakaparada, mga 10 sasakyan. Pero hindi gaya dati pag yung talagang may pasok. Hindi gaya dati pag may pasok yung... Pero hindi gaya dati na pag yung may pasok, puno yung parking lot. So, nalulungkot si Mother. Pag naman, maraming nakaparada doon, sabi ni Mother, kaingay. Pag naman, pag puno yung parking lot, napakaingay naman daw. Dahil maaga may mga nakaparada. Pag naman, ganito, kalungkot daw. So, ngayon, nagluto ako nag-request si Kuya ng spaghetti. Ayan.
Food is ready. Yeah, spaghetti.
Kuya, hey Kuya.
Ay, si Ben. Tinawagan na ni Kuya si Daddy at ay, kakain na. Dahil gusto niya nang kumain, kaya lang gusto niya sabay-sabay. So, sabay-sabay kami kumakain pag lunch. So, ngayon, sabi ko, umuna ka na, kumain ka na. Ayaw niya. Gusto niyang hintayin. Gutom na gutom na. Gusto niyang hintayin yung tatay. Andun lang yun, guys, sa tiny house. Akala mo, napakalaki ng aming solar, na nagtatawagan. Akala mo, laki ng property. So, yun. So, nag-spaghetti tayo. Ito yung ating spaghetti. Tapos, ito pa yung tira na champorado kahapon. And yun lang. Simple lang yung aming kain. Minsan kata kasi mother, nag-prepare pa rin kami ng aming bagahe. Hindi pa tapos kasi ngayon napalapit na yung ating for moi. Ngayon napalapit na. Parang nai-stress ka na, Kaya, little by little, inilalagay ko na, guys. Ito mo to. Ito yung hand carry ko. Unti-unti ko na pag may... Oh, thank you. Ayan. Pag may naalala ako, lagay ko lang dito. Ganito. Lagyan ng mga underwear, something. Lagyan ng vitamins. Ilalagay ko na lang dito. Ito yung panligo. Ito yung mga something, mga toiletries. Gano'n kasi kung ano yung malilit na bagay, yun yung kalimitan na makakalimutan mo. Okay. Okay guys, may dumating akong package. So, let's go! Okay, kakain muna kami.